Meet Foxhole forests, a novel approach to restoration in Madagascar that combines reforestation, agroforestry, and fire protection. For reforestation, our project seeks to transition open grassland to mature forest. To get restoration going, we need species that can pioneer that transition. These species, such as sakua and pigeon pea, grow quickly in dry, exposed environments. As they develop, the pioneer species create cool, moist microclimates that mature forest species need to survive, and all inside the 10-meter diameter foxhole forest that will eventually connect with themselves and the main body of Ivory boar. For agroforestry, the pioneer species we chose also have substantial economic value. Communities can sustainably harvest and sell commodities derived from those species, which incentivizes and funds planting more foxhole forests. For example, native sakua trees produce abundant fruits, the seeds of which can be pressed to extract valuable oil in the cosmetics and skincare industries. Native Votapere fair vines can be planted to grow on those sakua trees to produce delicious peppercorns. For fire protection, each foxhole is surrounded by a small mound of dirt called a cup firebreak. And all foxholes are planted behind 2 rows of 10-meter wide firebreaks, so any fires have to jump both those firebreaks and navigate a matrix of foxhole forests before reaching the main body of Ivory boar. So far, we've planted 385 foxholes, but our goal is to plant more than 5,000 of them. If you'd like to contribute to these efforts, please consider making a donation. And of course, we could not have accomplished the success that we've had with foxhole forests so far without the generous financial support of the IUCN Save Our Species program, the Stockel Family Foundation, the Butler Family Foundation, the Rufford Foundation, the Deer and Park Amersfoort Wildlife Fund, and numerous individual donors. To everyone who has contributed to our restoration efforts in Madagascar, thank you.